mutu. Atomeda mutu. This guy has knocked someone. You see? Atomeda na balala. Atomeda na balala. Atomeda na balala. They are now shooting at us.
You're shooting.
They have knocked people and they're now shooting at us. They have knocked people and they're now shooting at us. He's now pointing the gun right in the people's eyes. He's now shooting at us. He's now shooting at us. Live bullets. They have knocked people. They have knocked people. This brutal police of Uganda. This brutal police of Uganda.